Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, December 5th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. If you entered your information in your PLP prior to the document being altered, you should be good. If you have not entered information on your PLP, please do so soon. Also, students, regarding AR, please make sure that you read and reread to make sure you remember what you read. Ms. Smith is noticing a lot of students that have met their point goal, but their averages are very low. You have to do well on your test to meet your goal. Don't rush through your books. Teachers, please help Ms. Smith monitor this. Today's late duty is Ms. Milam. Tomorrow is Ms. Sunstall. Next, Miss Moore. Thursday, Bertolino. Friday, Miss Zimley. Today's weather, we have a high of 73, a low of 58, cloudy, and an 8% chance of rain. For breakfast, apple fritters, chicken nuggets, fruit juice. For lunch, deli sub, deli sub, lettuce, tomatoes, sun chips, fruit, and juice. Important dates. Tuesday, we have the school spelling bee. December 7th is the Stuff the Bus deadline. December 9th, holiday shirts and jeans for students that donated toys. December 13th, we'll have Winter Wonderland. December 15th, class Christmas parties. December 16th is the last day of the second quarter. December 19th through January 2nd is Christmas break. Congratulations to our iReady Stars of the Week. Our top kindergarten and first class is Miss Shaver's class. Our top second, third class is Miss Curd's class. Our top 4-5 class is Miss Arch's class. Our top K1 student, Audrey Franklin, with 15 lessons passed. Top second, third student, Astrid Maldonado, with 13 lessons passed. And top 4-5 student, Chloe Fair, with 12 lessons passed. Making up for a few missed birthdays, on December 1st, we had Paris Anderson, Hayden Stewart, and Miss Sank. December 2nd, we had Havius Bradley. December 3rd, Jaden Knowles, Bryce Kemp, Mahogany Lions. Bryce Kemp on the 3rd. December 4th, Mahogany Lions, Sabre Ray, Taylor Taylor. And today, December 5th, we have Noah Bagby. Happy birthday! Don't forget, Toy Drive is still going on. You can bring your toys in. They are due by December 7th, which is Wednesday. Get those toys in by Wednesday. Also, we are still taking questions for the question box. To do question of the day, you can submit questions into the question box in the library. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Shepherd Scholars.